Say Claire. Say you hold my tone. Pen down, please. Can you see my notepad? Tell me. नोटपैड दिख रहा है
Yes,
टीम
sir.
सभी को विजिबल है
Yes,
टेल मी
sir.
प्लीज
Yes, visible.
मेक अ सेंटेंस आई वांट पेन डाउन आई वांट दैट यू होल्ड माय टोन कि तू मुझे समझ से क्लेयर होल्ड सेजीर
Jesse.
व्हाट इज होल्ड टेल मी सेजीर आई वांट दैट टेल मी नेक्सी महेश यू देयर व्हाट इज आई वांट दैट
Yes.
आई वांट जव have you done
Javo.
java I want
Javokatu.
sezi
Travakatu Sasi.
yes
Sasi.
sezi verb say Claire Kachu
Yes.
sezi moton my
Mo.
tone
Moton.
moton my tone
To.
Kachu sezi अब यहाँ पे एक चीज मैं आपको और एक्सप्लेन करूँ बहुत सारी वोकैब्स हैं अभी हम व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग फॉर बोलो वी आर टॉकिंग फॉर सेक्शन बी स्पीक अप व्हाट वी आर स्पीकिंग फॉर व्हाट वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग फॉर सेक्शन बी से क्लियर
Yes.
I want that you hold my tone. Repete après moi. Je veux que, I'm using the vocab. One vocab is tanir. What is tanir? Tell me.
Paneer
Tanir
Paneer
is
is to
to,
hold. Hold.
but I will not use tanir. I
Same.
will make a sense, my team. Listen to me. Repete après moi. Tanir. What is tanir? Tell me. Tanir is to hold. Up, Nexi, I have to convince you, Nexi. I will say, hello, Nexi. You to hold back, please. आपको ये बोल रहा हूँ. Nexi.
Okay.
Now, for example, I will say there's a new restaurant in my area, and the food is very delicious. Can you come with me, Nexi? You will say, sorry, no, I don't have time. I will say, why? Please re-hold back. It means use the vocab. Yes, there's a sense basically of def section B. I'm saying please try to consider. Why? You need to consider my voice. Ratnir. Use the vocab, my friends. Ratnir is to hold back.
Ratni.
And it is not
Hold
यहाँ
back.
पे hold back, is to consider. I will say next, please consider my speech. Please consider this conversation. Very delicious food. Please. I'm taking please consider Ratnir. Ratnir. So what you will say? Tell me. Tanir, what is Tanir conjugation? First of all, you need to understand Tanir conjugation. And this is your irregular verb. Tanir, Vanir. Same conjugation. What is Vanir? Vanir is to come. What is Vanir, my friends?
To
Vanir
come.
is to
Paneer is to
come.
come.
And Tanir is to hold. But Vanir ending with E-N-I-R. Tanir ending with E-N-I-R. My friends, oh, entire session is under recording. You will get, I tell you what, my friend, listen to me very carefully. You will get 4 recordings today.
Four
With
recordings.
yes. And you need to practice with 4 recordings. It is just you have to listen and listen and listen. And these are the very simple vocabularies which we have used. Say Claire, now. My friends, you already have 7 a.m. playlist which we have created. Tell me.
क्या काम
Now,
क्या काम
now,
आपका बचा
वॉइस आपका प्लीज बजट जहां से आ रहा है वॉइस को अपना म्यूट करें. Now, for example, there's a session also which you need to see, which is the playlist is going to create for the heading is 6:30 a.m. So you need to now attack with the playlist, please. One day you will spend a time with 7 a.m. playlist. One day you will spend a time with 6:30 a.m. playlist. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. So Vanir and Tanir is to hold back. Sorry, Vanir is to come and Tanir is to hold.
Paneer
So
is
what's the
to hold.
conjugation of Vanir verb? Je viens, V-I-E-N-S.
Je
So what is
viens, tu
Tanir?
viens,
Je
Viens.
tiens,
je te,
T-I-E-N-S. Is it clear to you? You come, tu viens, V-I-E-N-S. Tu tiens, you hold. C'est clair.
T-I-N-S. Yeah.
Elle
Uh-huh.
vient and
Viens.
elle tient. Nous,
Yeah.
nous venons. Yes, Gulnoor, please tell me.
Sir, I had a question about the first part that you were talking about, the retenir. What was the sentence in which you were using
I
it
will
as
explain
in
to
to
you.
hold back?
I will explain to
Okay,
you. First
sure.
we'll go for the conjugation, then we'll
Sure.
explain to you. See? Elle vient, and here we have tient. Because retenir, why I'm telling you this conjugation first, Gulnoor, because tanir. So first of all, we need to understand the conjugation. C'est clair, je tiens, I rehold, je retiens. Tu rehold, tu retiens. C'est clair. Elle retient. C'est clair. First of all, we understand the conjugation. Nous venons, nous
No.
tenons. C'est clair. Retenons. C'est clair, my team. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
C'est clair.
No.
Vous venez, vous retenez. Next, see. And
Venir.
repeat after me. Venir is your irregular verbs. So répétez après moi. Je viens, tu
Je
viens,
Tu viens.
elle vient,
Elle vient.
Il vient,
nous venons,
Nous
nous
venons.
venons,
Nous venons.
vous venez,
vous venez,
Vous venez.
venez,
and elle vient.
vient,
Viennent.
Is it clear to you? C'est clair. Viennent, plural. V-I-E-N-N-E-N-T. C'est clair. Elle tiennent. T-I-E-N-N-E-N-T. C'est clair. Now, my friends, what is Ratneet Gulnoor?
Sir, from what I understood, it's more in terms of like retaining or holding or remembering.
Holding back.
Now, for example, you need to repeat after me. Now, what is, first of all, you need to understand again some things, which is negation. Napa. Napa is your negation. What is Napa, Nexi? And Mahesh and
Negation.
Gulnoor and team.
negation,
Napa is negation. Say Claire.
negation,
What is Napa? Tell me. Negation. Negative.
negation,
As a rule in French, your verb would be placed between ne and pa. For example, I would say, I do not hold this. I do not hold. Whatever you're talking, no, I do not hold. I do not want to hold. What is I do not hold? What is I? Je.
Retenir. Huh?
Na. Napa is negation.
Yeah.
What is napa? Napa is negation. That's a rule between na and pa. We need to apply verb. Je ne retiens pas.
Sir, I understand this part, but I believe you were using it in some sense with some consideration.
Yes.
That's where I was a little confused because you were saying the sentence in
We'll explain to you
those
again and
terms.
again.
Okay.
Okay. We'll explain to you again and again because this session we have to repeat again and again and again. Don't worry for that. Until you not understand the concept. Say Claire, we'll explain to you again. Okay. It's Napa is negation basically. I'm saying I do not hold. I do not consider because you know what, Gulnoor, in tab section B, there is some verbs which create sense to consider, which create sense to think. Say Claire, I will say, consider me. And in some extent, you say, hold back me. It means just try to understand me. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Mhm.
So na pa is negation, and between na and pa we need to apply verb. Je ne retiens pas. Now, for example, next see how to make a sentence. I do not understand. What is
Je ne comprends
understand?
pas.
Comprendre.
Je ne comprends pas.
Comprendre.
Yes. So
Je ne
next see,
comprends pas.
je ne
Je ne
comprends pas.
comprendre
Je
Comprends
ne
pas.
comprends pas.
Pas.
Napa is negation. What is napa? Napa is negation.
Negation.
Between na and pa, we need to apply verb. Say Claire, my friends. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's
तो न न और पा इसका यूज हम लिटरल सेंस में डिनोट के लिए करते हैं ना.
not negation. Say Claire.
Not, it's a negation. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Je ne comprends pas. Now make a sentence. You don't consider my speech. Répétez après moi. Informal speech. Tu ne comprends pas mes paroles. My speech, my lyrics. What is parole? Your lyrics. You're saying tu ne comprends pas you. Tu ne comprends pas mes paroles. Répétez après moi. Tu ne comprends pas mes paroles. Répétez après moi. Section B.
Tu ne comprends pas mes paroles.
Yes, me. You don't consider my lyrics. C'est clair. Tu ne comprends pas. C'est clair. Tu n'envisages pas. Répétez après moi. Tu n'envisages pas mes paroles. What is n'envisage?
You don't notice my
To consider.
Consider. Tu n'envisages. Envisager.
Envisager.
Envisager. Répétez après moi. Répétez après moi.
Envisager.
Envisager is what my team use. Tu n'envisages. Tu n'envisages pas mes paroles. C'est clair.
Envisage.
Is it clear to you?
Tu n'envisages pas mes paroles.
Tu n'envisages.
Tu ne retiens pas. Répétez après moi. Use this. Tu ne retiens pas mes mots. Mon discours. I'm not using mes paroles again and again.
Discours.
I'm dramatically changing the vocab. Tu ne retiens pas mon discours. Discours is a speech. What is speech? I'm saying you don't consider my speech. You don't hold it back. What is your discours? Discours is your speech. Parole is a speech. Your lyrics, whatever you're talking, discours is a speech. Your parole, discours, whatever you're talking, say Claire. What is discours? Say Claire. What is that? Tell me.
Speech.
Is it clear to you, my friends? Tell me yes and no.
Oui, monsieur.
C'est clair? Répétez après moi. Tu n'envisages pas mes paroles, tu ne comprends pas mes paroles, tu ne retiens pas mon discours. Répétez après moi.
Tu ne comprends pas mes paroles. Tu n'envisages pas mes paroles. Tu ne retiens
Tu n'aurais pas
Tu n'envisages pas mes
mes paroles.
Tu ne retiens pas
Nem pas mon discours.
Tu ne retiens pas mon discours.
C'est clair, my team. Tu n'imagines pas. Répétez après moi. Okay, we can use the vocab. Tu ne respectes. Use the vocab respecter. What is respecter? Tell me. What is respecter? Respecter is it's not you're respecting something. It means you're saying whatever I'm talking, उस speech का तो respect ही नहीं कर रहा है because you're just denying and denying and denying. Tu ne respectes pas, répétez après moi. Tu ne respectes pas, tu
Respect pas.
ne respectes pas my elocution.
Allocution.
Elocution is what? Your speech.
Speech.
It means
Sir,
since
parole और elocution same है. Parole
same.
और elocution.
Yes, because Nexi, team, Harpreet, Sharu, what we are talking about, Mahesh. If I will say, I have to convince you, I know that Nexi, I have to convince you in section B. Nexi,
Okay.
I have to convince you. प्लीज समझो मेरी स्पीच को, मेरी बात को नहीं समझ रहे, समझो ना मेरी बात को, समझो मेरी बात को, बात 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 जूरी विल से यार एक ही वर्ड आता है क्या बेसिकली क्या कि और तो कुछ बिकॉज वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंटेंट आई एम सेइंग tu não me sais mes paroles tu ne respectes pas mon élocution pourquoi tu ne retiens pas mon discours आपको what sense because जब जूरी आप सब बोलेगी no I don't want to go there so what do you say you need to apply these terms my friends tu ne respectes pas mon élocution speak up next
Tu ne respectes pas mon élocution. Élocution?
Élocution, c'est clair.
Élocution.
Now, Nexi, can you please explain me this content? Tu ne comprends pas, tu ne me saches pas. Can you explain it, Nexi, please?
You want me to repeat them or just explain the meaning?
Explain and repeat.
Sorry. Okay. Tu ne envisages pas ma parole is you do not consider my speech. Tu ne comprends pas ma parole is you do not understand my speech. Tu ne retiens pas mon discours is again you do not hold back my speech. Tu ne respectes pas mon élocution is you do not respect my speech.
Yes. Now répétez après moi. Tu n'aperçois. Yes, Naveed, I think you were saying something for elocution. Naveed?
सर मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि जो एलोक्यूशन है इसके साथ मोर लगा हुआ है तो
yes Nelocution c'est clair
Mon élocution.
c'est clair Naveed
Mon élocution.
Mon élocution.
Now repeat after me. Tu n'aperçois. We have verb aperçoir. What is aperçoir? See at the top. Aperçoir.
Notice.
Tu n'aperçois pas.
Notice.
Répétez après moi.
Tu n'aperçois pas.
Where is that going?
N'aperçois.
Tu n'aperçois pas. That you don't notice. Tu n'aperçois pas. Tell me. Mes interventions. Mes interventions.
So it's going to be zo, right?
Yes, mes interventions. Intervention, c'est quoi?
Intervention.
The interviews, the questions.
It means you do not notice my feelings. I'm talking to you from within. My speech. Chal, please come with me, please. Say what's intervention. What is intervention? Tell me. Your intervention.
Intervention.
Say clair. Your speech. Your elocution. Your parole. C'est clair. So what are you talking about? Tu n'aperçois pas mes interventions. Oh là là.
Tu n'aperçois
pas mes. Tu ne respectes pas mon élocution. Tu ne retiens pas mon discours. Tu n'envisages pas mes paroles. Tu ne comprends pas mes paroles. Now listen, my team. Look. आपका सेक्शन बी आया सोनाली. You're facing your section B task. and you have to practice like that, because in section B, your jury will deny you for 3 and 4 times. At least you come up with this speech. You don't consider my speech. Oh, you don't consider my speech. Oh, you don't consider my speech. So répétez après moi. Tu ne comprends pas mes paroles. Répétez après moi.
Tu ne comprends
Ne
pas
comprends
mes
pas mes
Mes
paroles.
paroles.
C'est clair. Tu n'envisages pas mes paroles.
Tu
Tu ne
n'envisages
Sache
saches
pas
pas
mes
mes
paroles.
paroles.
Tu ne retiens pas mon discours.
Tu
Tu
ne
ne
retiens pas mon
Retenir pas mes
discours.
discours.
C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Claire? Now, répétez après moi. Mahesh, speak up. Tu ne respectes pas mon élocution. Tu ne respectes pas
mes
mon...
élocutions.
Non. Mahesh, speak up. Tu ne respectes pas
Tu ne respectes pas
mon
mon
élocution.
élocution.
C'est clair.
Élocution.
And don't worry, my friends. Today, we started this session somewhere around 6:30 today in the morning. So from morning 6:30 to 9 a.m. till now, we have back-to-back 4 recordings of this session. How you start up, how you start. Tell me, Nexi. So Nexi, you need to watch, see that recording, listen that recording again and again and again. Say Claire. Tu n'aperçois me, tell me. Tu n'aperçois
मेरा ये
me.
थोड़ा सा मिस हो गया है
Yes, what is intervention? Intervention. Répétez après moi.
Intervention.
Speak up.
Intervention.
Mahesh, speak up, please. Speak up, Mahesh. Speak up, Mahesh.
Intervention.
Intervention. C'est clair.
Intervention. Claire.
C'est clair. You need to watch this recording again and again and again. I will share the recording, my friends. 4 recordings in WhatsApp today. My friend, listen to me very carefully. I will share 4 recordings in your WhatsApp. And there will be a playlist for 6:30. There's a playlist for 6:30 a.m. And go on that playlist again, attack with 7 a.m. playlist, 6:30 a.m. playlist. Is it clear to you for revision? Say clear?
Yes, sir.
सर ये नोट्स आप भेज देंगे क्या मेरा कुछ मिस हो गया है प्लीज
सब कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग पे आज 4 रिकॉर्डिंग्स आएगा आपको साजिया. Sit in a very calm place and understand those recording, because we need to work in the part of recordings. Clear? And yesterday I sent you one session. Have you done that?
सर प्लीज व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दीजिएगा वो फिर कट
Yes,
कॉपी
sir.
यूज करके अपने नोट्स मैं बड़े अच्छे से आपके एग्जांपल्स के साथ बना लेती हूँ.
Venu, have you done that, my team? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, team. So I will send it to you.
क्लास तो नहीं होगी ना
क्या कह रहे हो?
कल क्लास होगी कल
कल Saturday I have to see my schedule. I think कल क्लास नहीं होगा. I have to see my schedule.
हाँ ठीक नहीं सर हमारी यहाँ पे ईद है ना इसलिए पूछ रही थी मैं.
हाँ पवन 5 मिनट लगते हैं यार सेशन में लगते हैं 5 मिनट. Okay, guys, my next session is waiting for me. I am going. Okay, I will send it to you. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Merci. Au revoir.
अब
All right.
weekend.
All right. Okay. I will text you if we have a class tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, could you even reply to
Eid Mubarak.
Sorry.
Reply. You have sent me some message.
Sir, it's about the question that I asked you. If you had a chance to look over it.
Okay.
It's not. It was about the TEF exam that we talked about.
Okay. Yeah. I will speak to you. Saturday I have free time. Gulnur, I will speak to you.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfectly fine with me.
Hi, Neta. Hi, Colin.
All right. All right. Bye bye. Take care.
How are you? Hello. I'm not here. What about you? Amu. Amu the Great. Hello. Amu the Great.